xTool O1 Omni Printer, the next-generation desktop UV printer that can print on almost any material. The desktop printing industry is entering a new phase where creativity is no longer limited by traditional paper-based printers. The new xTool O1 Omni Printer is designed to bring professional-level customization technology into a compact desktop format, allowing creators, designers, and small businesses to print directly onto a huge variety of materials. Unlike standard printers that are limited to paper, the xTool O1 Omni is built as an advanced multi-material printing system capable of working with rigid surfaces, fabrics, and specialty materials. It combines several printing technologies, including UV printing, UVDTF, DT-style fabric printing, and DTF workflows, creating a flexible platform for personalized products, small-scale manufacturing, and creative projects. With its focus on versatility, automation, and high-quality output, the xTool O1 Omni aims to become one of the most powerful desktop printers for makers who want to transform digital designs into real-world products. A new generation of desktop UV printing has become one of the most exciting developments in the customization industry because it allows ink to be applied directly onto surfaces that traditional printers cannot handle. Instead of soaking ink into paper, UV printers use specially designed UV inks that are instantly cured using ultraviolet light. This curing process creates sharp images, strong colors, and durable finishes that can resist everyday wear. The xTool O1 Omni takes this technology further by creating an all-in-one desktop solution. According to xTool, the printer is designed as a multi-function machine that can handle different printing applications without requiring multiple separate devices. This makes it suitable for personalized consumer products, small business manufacturing, creative workshops, custom gift production, branding and promotional materials, handmade product designers. The goal is simple: one compact printer that can replace several specialized machines. Print on almost any material. The biggest feature of the xTool O1 Omni is its ability to print on a wide range of surfaces. Traditional printers usually require specific media, but the O1 Omni is designed for direct printing on materials such as acrylic, wood, metal, glass, leather, plastic, canvas, ceramic, fabric, various coated surfaces. This opens opportunities for creating customized products that were previously difficult or expensive to manufacture. For example, a creator could design a graphic on a computer and print it directly onto a phone case, wooden sign, glass decoration, or metal accessory. For small businesses, this flexibility means they can expand their product lineup without purchasing several machines. Fabric printing capability. One of the most interesting aspects of the xTool O1 Omni is that it is not only designed for hard objects, it also supports textile customization. The printer can work with fabrics, making it possible to create custom t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, fabric accessories, personalized clothing designs. Many apparel businesses traditionally need dedicated DTG or DTF equipment. The O1 Omni attempts to combine these capabilities into a desktop-friendly system. This could be especially useful for small clothing brands, online sellers, and creators who want to produce limited edition designs without outsourcing production. UVDTF. Expanding creative possibilities. The printer also supports UVDTF technology, which allows designs to be transferred onto different objects. UVDTF works by printing designs onto a special transfer film, which can then be applied to surfaces. This method is useful because it allows decoration on objects that may be difficult to place directly under a printhead. This makes it possible to customize items such as curved bottles, tumblers, packaging, decorative objects, irregular surfaces for businesses creating personalized merchandise. UVDTF can significantly improve production flexibility, high-resolution printing, and premium effects. The xTool O1 Omni is designed not just for basic image printing, but also for premium-looking finishes. The printer supports detailed, high-resolution output suitable for graphics, logos, illustrations, and photographs. One of its standout capabilities is textured printing. Instead of producing only flat images, the machine can build raised layers that create a 3D-like surface effect. This can be used for embossed logos, decorative artwork, luxury packaging, tactile designs, special product finishes. The printer also supports special visual effects, including bright colors and unique finishes that help products stand out. Smart camera and automatic alignment. Printing on unusual objects can be challenging because positioning must be extremely accurate. The xTool O1 Omni addresses this problem with smart scanning and vision technology designed to detect objects and improve alignment. The system helps users position designs more easily by analyzing the placement area before printing. This can reduce mistakes and make the process easier for beginners who may not have professional printing experience. For small businesses producing many different items, automatic positioning can save time and reduce material waste. Designed for creators and entrepreneurs, the xTool O1 Omni is aimed at a growing group of creators who want professional results without investing in large industrial equipment. A single desktop printer can potentially support multiple business ideas, including custom merchandise stores, personalized gifts, wedding products, corporate branding items, home decor products, artwork reproduction, limited edition collections for entrepreneurs. This type of machine can reduce production costs because they can create products internally instead of depending on outside manufacturers. Easy workflow for beginners. Another important advantage of the O1 Omni is its focus on simplicity. Professional printing equipment often requires technical knowledge, complicated setup, and regular adjustments. Desktop machines like the O1 Omni are designed to make advanced printing accessible. Users can typically move through a simple workflow, create or upload a design, place the material, adjust settings, start printing. Automation features help reduce the learning curve and make the machine more approachable for hobbyists. Potential impact on the custom product market. The rise of machines like the xTool O1 Omni reflects a larger trend, the movement of manufacturing technology from factories into homes and small studios. In the past, producing customized products required expensive equipment and specialized facilities. Today, compact machines are allowing individuals to create professional products on demand. The O1 Omni could help accelerate this shift by combining multiple production methods into one device. Final verdict. The xTool O1 Omni Printer represents a new generation of desktop manufacturing tools. By combining UV printing, UVDTF, and fabric printing capabilities, it offers creators a powerful way to transform ideas into physical products. Its ability to print on materials like wood, metal, glass, acrylic, and fabric makes it far more versatile than traditional printers. Features like high-resolution output, textured effects, and intelligent positioning further improve its appeal. For hobbyists, designers, and small businesses, the xTool O1 Omni could become a valuable creative tool, turning a desktop workspace into a miniature product manufacturing studio. As personalized products and small batch manufacturing continue to grow, printers like the O1 Omni show how the future of production may become more accessible, flexible, and creative than ever before.